So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you about the revision notes of the chapter 13 science, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Synthetic fiber or man-made fibers. They are chains of small units joined together. Each small unit is a chemical substance. These small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. Types of synthetic fibers. First is rayon or artificial silk. It is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp. It is mixed with cotton and is used to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Nylon. It is strong, elastic and light. A nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. It is used for making clothes, parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Polyester. Fabric made from polyester does not wrinkle easily. Common polyester includes cellulose and PET. PET is used for making utensils, wires, bottles, etc. Cellulose and is used for making dress materials. Acrylic. It is relatively cheaper than wool. Sweaters, shawls, and blankets are made from acrylic. Characteristics of synthetic fibers. They dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. However, fabric made of synthetic fiber melts on catching fire and sticks to the body of person wearing it. So synthetic cloths should not be worn while working in kitchen or laboratory. Plastics are not polymer like synthetic fibers. Arrangement of small unit is linear or cross-linked, can be recycled, reused, melted, rolled into sheets, or made into wires. Thermoplastics. These are plastics that get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily. Examples polythene and PVC. Thermosetting plastics. These are plastics which, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. Example bakelite and melamine. Characteristics of plastics. They are non reactive, they are light, strong, and durable. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Use of plastics. They are used to store various kinds of materials such as food items, chemicals, etc. It is widely used in various industries and for making a variety of household articles. They are extensively used in healthcare industry for making syringes, threads of stitching, wounds, doctor's gloves, and other medicinal instruments. Fire resistant plastics are used as a coating on the suits of the firemen. Biodegradable substances. These are the materials that decompose through natural processes, such as by the action of bacteria. Examples paper, peels of vegetables, wood, and fruits, etc. Non biodegradable substances. These are the materials that are not easily decomposed by natural processes. Examples plastic bags, metals, etc. Plastic are not environment friendly as they cause environment pollution. To minimize the environmental hazard, the 4R principle must be used.